Hello and welcome back to the Lasering Dudes channel. Right now I'm running the Atomstack A20 Pro. It's a 20-watt laser. I am cutting 3mm black acrylic. This is for a friend of mine under the Jeeper. We're doing a double, so tomorrow when the orange acrylic gets in, then we'll do that other cut. Right now the powers, or the settings, the parameters are 80 speed, 95% power. So that's giving me about 17 minutes according to Lightburn to do the cutout. It's going real slow. Only speed this up when I edit the video. It's cutting pretty smooth. It's not warping. It's not flaring up the sides. I do have the air assist on to medium, just to kind of keep the sparks down and the smoke out of the area. Give a shout out to Roland Berry, a buddy of mine with Creator Alley, who I've partnered with. So I'd like to thank Barry and Creator Alley for the Atomstack A20 Pro. I'll do a lot more demonstrations with it coming soon. Also, I'll put a link in the description below, a link to the website where you can find all the Atomstack equipment. They even have Creality 3D printers if you're interested in that. So give them a look. They're always having sales as well. Maybe with the Atomstack A30 Pro, since it's going to be a 36-watt power. Well, it's rated at 30, but I think it comes out to about 36 laser output. Should be able to run faster doing this. Oh, there you have it. Pretty smooth cuts. So as you can see, I forgot to take the backing off of that, but it's pretty smooth. No charring, no warping, no, I don't know what you call it when it bubbles up on the back end, but it's pretty smooth. And there'll be a part 2 to this video when I do the orange and put it all together. Thanks for watching.